don't really love churros. It's true. But like 9 gazillion people requested it yesterday, so this one's for you. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat it to a boil and then reduce to low. 1 cup of flour. Now cook it on low for 2 minutes. Now take it off and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't skip this step. I forgot my Mickey ears. Add your batter to a mixing bowl and crack 3 eggs into the bowl. Add your dough to a piping bag with a large star tip. Heat a pot of oil to 375 degrees. Now pipe in your churros and cut them off with scissors. You can do about 4 or 5 at a time. And toss them in cinnamon sugar. Let's get some caramel and chocolate. Okay, here is our plate of churros. They look so good, but now